What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Sliding on Twoz video with your boy C. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hey, this channel is just all about having fun, riding your motorcycle, and taking you on a journey with me. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and if you like this type of videos. Hey, today is a special day for me. Yeah, because I've had my motorcycle for over 3 years now, and my wife has never ridden on the back with me. I've had fun riding my kids and family members and friends. And I guess my wife said, hey, you've never asked me to ride, you've asked everybody else. But I didn't want to pressure her, I didn't want to force her. I just, wanted to make sure, I had everything down before I put my wife. I mean, that's precious cargo. I wanted to make sure I had it all down before I put her on the back. So today she said, and really surprised me, she said, hey, we need to go to the mall today. Can we go on the bike? Huh? It surprised me. So that's why it's special for me. My wife is going to ride on the back. I'm going to take you along with me to see how it goes. So let's do it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
All right, here we go. Yeah, get you some of those clear glasses. You can get any one you want. That way you don't have to, there's no rocks or bugs that fly in your eye. I definitely want to protect my eyes, so. Yeah, put your pegs down. I usually prefer you get on it, wait until I'm on it. And then I'm gonna hold it up like this. Actually, I think I'm gonna stay on the kickstand. So just go ahead, you can put left foot there and just climb on up. Yeah. And so the pipes are hot, so you just want to keep your foot on the pegs. You never let your feet down. No matter what, don't let your feet down, they stay on the pegs. Now you could either hold me on my shoulders up here or around my waist, however you feel comfortable. Now for leaning, when I'm turning and when I'm leaning, you don't do anything. You just pretty much sit straight, sit still. Don't help me lean, don't help me turn, none of that. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
It feels funny? Yeah, you can hold me right there and you can hold me tight, just don't hold me so tight that I can't move. All right, here we go. I got you on the balance, so you don't have to worry about that. You good? Let me check something. You comfortable? I got my inspection sticker on there, so we legal, we should be good to go. All right, here we go. So if you got questions, ask questions, and don't be afraid to talk. All right, here we go. So hey, today I got my wife on the back. I don't know if you can see her. And this is her first time riding on a motorcycle. I think first time at all. I'm trying to do, ride really easy. Not to scare her to death. And watch it. So it's a good day for me. I don't know about her, but I didn't want to rush her on the bike, so I just waited for her to ask me to ride. So do your wife ride? Do she ride on the back of your bike, or do she have her own bike? I know most of the YouTubers out there usually ride by themselves. Every now and then I'll see somebody with, riding two up. We're on the way to the mall We waited kind of late so it would be a little cooler for her. I mean, it looks like it's gonna rain, but I would hate for her first ride to be in the rain. But we gonna hope some good luck. It's pretty cool out here. The weather is nice. It's not too hot, because I didn't want her to go ride in the hot sun. So it's a nice overcast. It rained earlier. The sun came out, then the clouds covered up again. The mall is about 20 minutes away. So hopefully we can get there and get back before it rains. I mean, one of the things, I didn't want her to ride in the heat or the rain. And I really didn't want to have to ride at night, which I have no problem riding at night, but it being her first time, I didn't want her to have to ride at night. Huh?
Do you have a ring?
I do, yeah. How you doing so far? Okay? Oh, good. I mean, this is our first time, so, and I don't ride crazy anyway, so I'm trying to shift as smooth as I can, but I feel her jumping every time I shift. Because the bike, you know, kind of jumps a little bit. I'm being as smooth as I can. Maybe we can take a trip to the beach down to Galveston, Texas, which is about a 45-minute ride. So we're just gonna take it slow, do a couple of short rides first, and if she gets used to it and if she gets on it again, then we can take, you know, a little longer rides. Where's all this traffic going? See, when I'm going, the bike balances itself as long as I'm giving it gas, but it's slow speeds, like right now, I have to balance the bike. That's the only time you really feel the weight of the bike. When I have to balance it like this. Usually I have 1 foot down, but since I have you on the back, I have 2 feet down. No, it looks like it's a wreck up there or something. I think I hear the ambulance coming now. I'll get over. Just hope the police don't block the traffic off. Huh?
My car flipped over.
It flipped over? Wow. Well, this is not a good scene for her on the first ride. Wow, look at that. All right, let's see how we can get out of here. Well, I hope they're okay if... Wow, how did that happen? Look like 3 cars involved. There's one wrecked over here. Uh-oh. One right there, and then how you get under that car? That's a pickup truck, isn't it? Wow. That's crazy. So how's the ride so far? It's okay? All right, let's keep going in. Yeah, I really hope they're okay. But traffic, man, is gonna be bad. We could probably have to come back a different way. I didn't mean to take you on the freeway where we gonna get on and get off. I'm making ride the feeder all the way. That's where I bought my motorcycle from, right here. So she had her first ride on the freeway. I didn't mean to take the freeway, but I did. Seat is hard?
Yes.
So my birthday coming up, they got that, I need that $800 Mustang seat. Christmas coming up. Hey, that's one way to get me a new seat. Let her ride on and see how hard the back seat is. Nice. He ain't gonna wave. I gave him 2 fingers down. Did he give it back? He may have not been paying attention. Is that where we normally go, right there? Okay. I would prefer to park up front, but I don't want to get a ticket and get towed away. Alright, this is where we going. Harrisburg Jewelry. No wonder she wanted to ride with me. You got a new ring, y'all. So see, that's what you got to do to get your wife to ride with you. Spend a lot of money. Alright y'all, we're leaving the mall, and as you can see, it's pitch dark out here, which I didn't want to do, but so she spent all my money and now we got to get home. She got her first ride. My pockets are a little shorter than they was when we came, but I finally got on the back of here, so alright guys, we made it home safely. We back at home. So it was a good ride. I told her on the way home that I was taking it easy because she was on the back. You know what she told me, guys? She said, hey, ride your ride. I'm like, okay. But you know, I don't drive crazy anyway, so pretty just smooth. So I'm gonna talk to her off camera and see what she thinks. She already told me the back seat was hard. That was my cue to say, hey, Christmas coming up, I need a new Mustang seat. I want the driver's backrest on it. Hey, put it in the comments, do your wife ride with you? Or have she ever rode with you? Or what does she think about riding with you? Or you just prefer not to have anybody else on it? I don't mind either way. This is our first time. I'm glad we made it home safely. It wasn't hot. It didn't rain on us. You know, it got caught at night, but we still made it okay. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I'm riding solo dolo again. But I was just thinking about you know, my wife's first ride on the bike. I need a seat to fit the 09 Kawasaki Vulcan. The ones I have now have the studs on them, so I really would like the studs and a driver's backrest. I mean, if I can find something nicer without the studs, I would be okay. But I do want that driver's backrest and a more comfortable seat. Now I know if I go ahead and get that, I was looking at a 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan, and it has the tour pack and a really comfortable back seat. So we'll see. So I would really love to hear from you guys in the comments. First of all, how does your wife feel about you having a bike? Do she have a problem with it? And number two, do she ride with you? I mean, I know some people just don't like riding two up, and their motorcycle is not even set up for two up. And if your motorcycle is not set for two up, would you change the seat just so your wife can ride with you? I guess that is the question. Or do you even want her to ride? I mean, when I'm hanging with the guys and we rolling, maybe not. But every now and then, maybe a Sunday afternoon or a weekend, we want to ride down to the lake or to the park. Yeah, I would love for her to be with me. So what do you think about those questions? Put it down in the comment and let me know. Alright guys, I can't wait to read your comments about, you know, about your wife riding with you, or do she ride with you, or do she mind you having a motorcycle? Hey, put it in the comments. I would love to get your thoughts on it. Well, anyway, man, that's going to do it for this one. Hey, make sure you keep Twoz on the ground. And as always, make sure you ride your way. Later.